We will talk about the doping step in fabrication. In semiconductor production, doping is the intentional introduction of impurities into an intrinsic semiconductor for the purpose of modulating its electrical properties. The doped material is referred to as extrinsic semiconductors. A semiconductor doped to such high levels that it acts more like a conductor than a semiconductor is referred to as a degenerate semiconductor. We need activation process for covalent bonding with atoms to generate electrons or holes. There is two types in doping process. First, the old process, thermal diffusion. To do thermal diffusion, first we should make dopant attach it to the surface of wafer. Then, because of the difference of concentration, it will be diffusion a little. Second, to do more deep diffusion, this is called driving the activation process. The process makes the dopant drive deep inside using heat above 10,000 degrees Celsius, so it is hard to control depth. Second, it is ion implantation. To do this process, we should make dopant in the form of ion, and then make electric field harder to accelerate so that the ion can go deep inside. The much more electron the ion has, the deeper the ion go inside. The heavier the ion is, the deeper the ion go inside. After the ion get inside, we need activation process like we did in thermal diffusion. However, we use electric activation, so we can control the depth of implantation. Diffusion system is pre-deposition process of wafer inside the furnace. There are three types in diffusion system: solid source, liquid source, and gas source. We will make them in gas finally, so the name of the source means what we use at first. For example, in solid source, we use solid in furnace, and then heat and make them in gas through pre-deposition.